Welcome to today's video where we dive into the fascinating world of mob spawning mechanics in Minecraft. Ever wondered how and where mobs appear in this blocky universe? Let's explore. First, let's define what slabs are. Slabs are half-height blocks in Minecraft, and they come in various types, including wooden slabs, stone slabs, and brick slabs. Each type serves different aesthetics and functions in builds. Now that we know what slabs are, let's discuss how mob spawning actually works in Minecraft. Mobs can spawn under specific conditions based on light levels, block types, and space availability. You might be asking, can mobs spawn on full blocks compared to slabs? The answer is crucial when designing farms or bases. So let's clarify this important detail. Not all slabs are created equal when it comes to mob spawning. For instance, some slabs, like stone slabs, allow mobs to spawn, while others, like glass slabs, do not. Let's break it down further. Height plays a crucial role in mob spawning as well. Since slabs are half the height of full blocks, they affect where mobs can spawn, especially in tight spaces. Light levels are another key factor. Mobs typically spawn in areas with a light level of 7 or lower. It's essential to create the right conditions to maximize or minimize mob appearances. Understanding slabs can greatly enhance your mob farm designs. When strategically placed, slabs can control where mobs spawn and improve the efficiency of your farm. Many misconceptions exist surrounding slabs and mob spawning. For instance, some players believe that all slabs prevent spawning due to their half height, which is not entirely true. In conclusion, slabs can be both beneficial and limiting for mob spawning. Keep these tips in mind when building, and you'll be able to optimize your Minecraft experience like a pro. Happy crafting!